friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about BenQ PD2506Q 25-inch 1440p monitor. So friend, BenQ introduced the PD2506Q or 25-inch monitor for creative professionals. And friend, this monitor offers several features useful for pros and such as 10 BPC colors, AQColor calibration and Darkroom mode that adjust setting to an image post-processing environment, and friend design and CAD-CAM modes that appear to add a certain edge, anti-aliasing to screen, etc. And friend, the key specification include WQHD resolution, DisplayHDR 400, HDR10 readiness, 178-degree viewing angle and 350 cadmium per meter square brightness. And friend, the standout feature is its tied to inputs which include HDMI 2.0, DisplayPort 1.4, USB Type-C. And friend, the monitor supports Type-C for display input, USB upstream input and power delivery. And friend, it also supports daisy chaining of up to 2 monitors, and if you lack of USB PD power source you can just use the included power brick. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.